The Vav is V. So whoever say it, some people has changed it in another way. We are not going to talk about that. But what we can see here is it is V according to the Hebrew words, V as in Vag. That is clear. There is no more talk with that. It is so clear, it is so straightforward, and those who twist that are used by the devil. There is also another word. How did human say that? There is there is a change somewhere else, but that is the transformation that humans did. It's not Hebrew who has done that, but it's the others who has done that, those who want to just say anything in Hebrew. But if you are talking about the standard Hebrew, Vav is V like in Vag. So as long once you see Vav, it is V, it is V. But later, as the Hebrew changed, this this shape Vav has changed into V, into U or O. I mean, so let's see that. Let's see that case. Where did we find it? But that is not the original one, but it has been transformed, it has been modified. Let's see it. Let's find it. This is it. This Vav, it becomes U. It's the one above. Or Vau. Here. Or V. VI. So, the phonemes V is always kept. So we are going to stand against the Wu, the U1. Is it really U? Like the weird people out there. But this is variant. Variants is changed was changed by humans, and you're not going to keep the changed one, but the original one. You're not going to keep the variant, but the original one, and the original one is this V. You're not going to make a false adventure by going with the U, but that is only a variant. And you can see here that it's V and it's always V. So that is how it is read, and it's because of the variant, and as it is a variance, someone has changed it, and it's a foolishness for the other, but that is not the truth. Well, that is up to those who did it. But the letter V is V. Like in India, when we were in India, um, W is pronounced as B. So if you say work, they say work. So you see, lots of people has changed it. If you have gone to India, you know what I'm talking about, because the English of Indian is the W is has changed into B. So we were like surprised with that, because we don't know how to speak Hindi and we used English, and you're like you don't know, you were surprised with it because they changed the W into a B. So you see, it's hard. But let's get back to the original one. The original one is V, and there is no more explanation. But that is the phonemes, the pronunciation. Pronunciation is equal V. It is V. Y H V H. So it is YAHVAH. Now let's get back to the original one, to the book, the book of Jews. So how can we read it? How to read this? Show it now. Yod He Vav He. How to read it? I think I'm going to take the one later. I cannot see it again. Here. Okay, that's it. Okay, show it. We have seen Yod He Vav He is Yah. So the W is it's V actually, not W. So the real reading is obvious. The real reading is when we read it. This is the real reading. Ya, Y, Ya, V, A, H. Because the way we read the rest is already there, so we're not going to talk about that. But we just had to talk about the V or W. So actually, it's V in the original. So the name of the true Father, Holy Father, is YAHVAH. YAHVAH. That is the real name of that YAHVAH. So let's get back to the board. I am not speaking quickly, I think. I think that is normal speed. I cannot erase this. Why? However, I have to use a new board. Okay, let's get back to the previous explanation. The first one is Yod, Hey, and it is read as Yah. This is how we read it. And the second one is, yeah, we're going to write it down. Yah, this is the tetragram. Yah, Hey, Vav, Hey. This is the tetragram. After having done the studies, so an explanation on earth, and we have started in Sefer Torah, but again, Elia has known that. Yah, Va. That's it. So here is the name, the true name of the God of Abraham, the one who sent Elia. And when we combine this name according to what we have already seen, it gives the name of that Yahvah, and we can call it Yahvah. We can call him YAHVAH. This is the name of the God of Jews, the God of Abraham, the one who shows on him and sent him, YAHVAH. So you can separate it, Yah, when you are glorifying, but when you communicate with him, you say YAHVAH. And you may ask, are there two names? Yes. If we read in Isaiah 26 4, this YAHVAH is really called Isaiah, Isaiah. Which one was it again? Isaiah 26 4 or 24 6. One of them. Either of them. Isaiah 26 4. So this is the Hebrew writing and with translation beside it. So you can read it immediately. So here you can see Biyah, YAHVAH. We can see it obviously. Let me take a picture. This is the YAHVAH. Let me take picture and I'm gonna show it on the board. This is to you. This is it.